Today I'm going to be taking apart the Heng Long T-90 1/16 scale tank to show you the insides of it. This is the bottom. This is the battery compartment, if you wanted to know what kind of battery compartment it had. This is the 6.0 version. It's the newest one. And it is the promotional version. This is the battery it takes. It's got the Tamiya connector for the LiPo connect. There's 6 screws and the top just lifts off. Just watch the wires. This is the inside of the tank. Show you what this thing's got in it. This shoots airsofts. Smoke machine. It's got the metal gears. This is the gearbox for it. On and off switch comes out the back. And then the speaker and the 6.0 transmitter, which is, I don't know if anybody wants to see what it is, but that's what it is. So, and that's pretty much it.